In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to turn off domain lock on GoDaddy, which is an essential task you might have to perform if you're planning to transfer your domain to a different provider. To begin, you need to first log into your GoDaddy account. On your account dashboard, you would find an option labeled as Domain Portfolio. Click on this option so you can view all the domain names associated with your GoDaddy account. Next, you are required to select the specific domain that you wish to unlock. Now, if you have multiple domain names to unlock, you don't need to worry. GoDaddy has a neat feature where you can check the boxes next to multiple domains, thereby allowing you to make changes to them all at once. So, go ahead and check the applicable boxes that correspond to the domain or domains that you desire to unlock. Once you've selected your desired domain or domains, your next move is to navigate to the Transfer section. You will find this section located on the Domains Settings page. It's in the Transfer section that you'll gain access to control the lock status of your domain or domains. To proceed with the unlocking process, you will spot a lock toggle within the Transfer section. This toggle will likely be in the On position. Since your motive is to turn off the domain lock, you need to switch it to the Off position. This action will essentially unlock your selected domain or domains. In most cases, GoDaddy will request that you verify your identity at this stage. Don't be alarmed, as this is common practice and is put in place to ensure the security of your account. So, you may be required to input a code sent to your email or perhaps your Authenticator app. Make sure to enter the information needed accurately to certify your account. Having successfully verified your identity, your domain or domains are immediately unlocked and now eligible for transfer. Fascinatingly, your changes to the lock status of your domain or domains are automatically saved on GoDaddy. This means you don't have to take an extra step to manually save the changes you've made. However, you need to note that although your changes are saved automatically, it might take a little while, possibly up to 90 minutes, for these changes to fully update in your account. So, don't fret if it seems as though nothing has changed immediately after switching the lock toggle. Patience is key here, as your account just needs a little time to adjust to the new lock status of your domain. And there you have it. You now know how to turn off domain lock on GoDaddy. Don't hesitate to go through the steps again if you need further clarity or if you have more domains to unlock. Keep in mind the patience required for the changes to reflect on your account, and you'll be good to go.